The future of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly changing the world around us. From helping doctors diagnose diseases to navigating self-driving cars, AI is on the rise. Hi there. I'm your guide on this journey to explore the incredible potential and fascinating challenges of AI. Imagine a future where AI becomes a seamless part of our everyday lives. AI doctors diagnose diseases with pinpoint accuracy. AI engineers design buildings that can withstand anything nature throws our way. And AI assistants personalize our experiences like never before. But the future of AI isn't all sunshine and rainbows. Here are some important questions to consider. Will AI create more jobs or take them away? Who controls AI, and how do we ensure it's used ethically? Can AI ever truly understand human emotions and values? These are just some of the complex issues we need to address as AI continues to evolve. The future of AI is a double-edged sword. It has the potential to solve some of humanity's biggest challenges, but it also comes with potential risks. The key lies in responsible development and collaboration. By working together, humans and AI can create a future that benefits everyone. What are your thoughts on the future of AI? Share your ideas in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.